Hello, my dear viewers, welcome back to AI Medical School. In previous videos, we completed the general physiology, so in today's video, we will start with the physiology of hematology. Let's start the lecture. What is blood? Blood is a fluid connective tissue which transports substances from one part of the body to another. It provides nutrients, hormones, and enzymes to the tissues and removes their waste products. Characteristics of blood: its color is red, volume is 5 to 6 liter, viscosity is 5 times more than water, and its pH is 7.4, alkaline. Composition of blood. Blood cells. 3 types of cells are present in the blood. Number 1. Red blood cells or erythrocytes. Number 2. White blood cells or leukocytes. Number 3. Platelets or thrombocytes. What is plasma? Plasma is a straw-colored clear liquid part of blood. It contains 91% to 92% of water and 8% to 9% of solids. The solids are organic like plasma proteins, for example, albumin, globulin, and etc., and inorganic substance like sodium, potassium, calcium, chloride, bicarbonate, phosphate, iron, etc. What is serum? The serum is the clear straw-colored fluid that oozes from a blood clot. When the blood is shed or collected in a container, it clots. In this process, the fibrinogen is converted into fibrin and the blood cells are trapped in this fibrin forming the blood clot. After about 45 minutes, serum oozes out of the blood clot. For clinical investigations, the serum is separated from blood cells and clotting elements by centrifuging. The volume of the serum is almost the same as that of plasma. It is different from plasma only by the absence of fibrinogen. For example, the serum contains all the other constituents of plasma except fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is absent in serum because it is converted into fibrin during blood clotting. Thus, serum equals plasma to fibrinogen. Now come to functions of blood. Number 1. Respiratory. Transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Number 2. Nutritive. It carries nutritive substances like glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, electrolytes etc. from the gut to the tissues where they are used for energy. Number 3. Excretory. It carries various metabolic waste products such as urea, uric acid, creatinine, etc. to excretory organs like the kidney, skin, intestine, and liver for their disposal. Number 4. Homeostasis. Blood plays major role in regulation of water balance. The water of blood is freely interchangeable with the interstitial fluid and helps in maintaining the water and electrolyte balance of the body. Regulation of acid-base balance. The plasma proteins and the HB act as buffers and helps in the regulation of acid-base balance. Number 5. Regulation of body temperature. Because of its properties of high specific heat, buffers sudden changes in body temperature. High conductivity helps in uniform distribution of heat in the body. High latent heat of evaporation. A large amount of heat is lost from the lungs and skin by the evaporation of water. Number 6. Transport. Various hormones, enzymes, antibodies, drugs etc. are transported by the blood to the target tissues. Number 7. Blood plays a major role in protective function. Number 8. Storage function. It's a temporary storehouse for important substances like water, glucose, proteins, and electrolytes to be used in emergency situations like starvation, fluid loss, electrolyte loss, etc. Number 9. Role in coagulation. Blood cells, platelets and different clotting factors in the blood work for the stoppage of bleeding and form a temporary hemostatic plug and definite hemostatic plug respectively. Number 10. Role of plasma proteins, exerts the effective osmotic pressure, helps in the exchange of fluid, and acts as the reservoir of proteins. and forms transportable complexes with hormones. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.